Hey guys, welcome back to my videos. My name is Ashish, and in this video we are going to find out your personality type using machine learning, and it's just going to take some 5 or 10 minutes to do that. We are going to use built-in model from this Hugging Face website, and this is the model you are looking at. It actually finds out this Myers-Briggs type indicator. Now what is this Myers-Briggs type indicator? If you just Google it, you will find this is the chart where you can identify your personality type based on your feelings or your behavior. And in fact, there are some websites and there are some corporate trainings which are performed to identify your personal type. And this is just a simple program, or we are just going to try out this model, which you can see on your screen. And so the main purpose of this tutorial is how to use a model from Hugging Face and how to use it. Okay. Without wasting time, let's get started. And on this site, you can in fact evaluate your as you can see here, you can type text here and you can compute score here. Okay. So I typed leave me alone text and it identifies as introversion 0.816. That is the maximum. So let's get started with the code. So I have installed these requirements. So that is Torch, TensorFlow, transformers, and datasets. You need to do pip install minus our requirements. Please refer to last video. The requirements are same. In fact, we don't need here YouTube API to fetch transcripts. Let's create one new file, that is main.py, and let's get started with the coding part. Let me import from transformer, import auto tokenizer. So we have auto tokenizer, auto model for sequence classification. Let's run for loop. And here, what I'm going to do is let's create one function. We have to pass text here, right? This function here, let's pass input. Let's take input from the user, that is us. Or rather, let's say, tell me about yourself. Let's first of all write our main logic. So inside this, we start with the tokenizer. Let's create tokenizer from auto tokenizer, and we are going to use from, yeah. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy. So here you can see this sign, copy sign. Here I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste here. Okay, and then we are going to use model. It's a auto model classification from written, and again I'm going to use, yeah. So we have now model. Let's create inputs tokenizer. Let's pass this text and return tensors pt. That's it. And we have now our output here. Yeah. So we are passing inputs and we now have output. So yeah, so this is the score, and we actually do what? We actually uh, let's get the score exactly like this. It's a 0 0 index, and let's detach and let's get the score. And this score, we are going to use softmax to normalize the score. So the score which is written is, yeah, I'm going to use this library and use this softmax to identify logic. So the score which we get is a very raw, and we have to normalize this, and for that we are using the softmax function. And last part is label. We have to label it. Now the labeling part is very tricky. So first is extra version. So these labels you can add in, you can find out here, extraversion, introversion. So I'm just writing them down. Okay, so we have 8 label, and now let's convert this result to out of 100. For that, I'm going to iterate for I in range over, iterate over these label names is equal to label name I equal to, let's perform some formatting. So scores I, let's multiply it 100 and format it to float. Okay, so this is our result. Let's return this result, and here let's print this score. Okay, let me run these and let's see if we have. Yeah, so I'm going to type, let's say I type leave me alone, and this is very extroversion, sorry, this is very introversion statement. Yeah, so you can see introversion 3. So score started to come in, and now if I want to, based on this text, so let's say I always prefer, like I always like to party. So this is extraversion statement. So you can see extraversion score is 82. So you similarly you can try all statements, but last part that I want to do is based on this personality. If you want to identify this indicator that is 4 digit, right? So for that, I just need to we just need to write this some more code, some few if else's, like if personality prediction introversion is greater than x is extraversion. This is the result. Let me take result as a string, result plus. I'm going to append I because I is else. I will append E. Okay. Similarly, I'm just copy paste 1, 2, 3, and here for second part, let's come back here. Second is sensing and intuition. So if sensing and intuition, so if sensing is greater, then your personality falls in sensing category, else I. Next up is thinking, thinking versus feeling, and last part is judging, perceiving. So judging, sorry, my spelling is correct, and perceiving. So if J and P, so IESITF, and last let's print this result. So let's run this. Now in fact I can add multiple statements here. So I like to be alone. I like reading books over parties. I have sympathy towards, let's say, homeless people. I like pets. Okay. So 4 statements I have written. Let's hit enter and let's identify what is the output. Oh, so we have. Okay. So my bad. So it should be score. So yeah, sorry, my bad. Let's run again. Let me copy paste what. So let's identify. Yeah. So it says IIFP. Okay. So that means I. Oh wait, there is a copy paste mistake here. Okay, for intuition it's N. My bad again. So it's actually INFP. Let me correct this. Intuition it's N. So it's actually, let's run again. No problem. It should come as INFP. Yeah, INFP. Let's identify Yeah, NFP. So you can see it says sensitive, creative, idealistic, perceptive, caring, loyal, inner harmony, personal growth focuses on dreams and possibility. So actually, this last part, judging and perceiving, uh, you can see perceiving is two and judging is one. So there is not enough data we have given to identify or differentiate between these two qualities. So you can add your own lines, you can give paragraph to this code, and in fact what you can do is you can actually do personality trait analysis on videos like this. So let's say if I do YouTube, on YouTube if I do some biographies like something like this, or maybe yeah, Stephen Hawking, something like that, and you can use this video ID, and you can download the transcript like we have done in last video, and you can identify the personality trait of that celebrity or the YouTube video, the biography, whoever uh, the personality is in the biography. You can identify personality trait of that person. So this was about this in this video. That's it from this video. I hope you liked it. Please share, like, subscribe, so that my videos will get more and more reach. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video. Thanks.